Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please all stand as we welcome the faculty members. Partner agencies, starting off with NCPO Criminal Investigation Detection Management Unit, headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Seriarco M. Paser Jr., Chief Criminal Investigation Detection Management Unit, represented by Police Executive Master Sergeant Jose Luis A. Caparoso. NCPO Intelligence Division, headed by Police Major Rodolfo Borromeo, Chief Intel. NCPO Station 1, headed by Police Major Ray M. Alvarez, Station Commander. NCPO Station 2, headed by Police Major Juby D. Leonard, Station Commander. NCPO Station 3, headed by Police Major Alex B. Sumaya, Station Commander. NCPO Station 4, headed by Police Major Antonio R. Per Jr., Station Commander, represented by Police Lieutenant Arnolfo Sarmiento Jr. NCPO Station 5, headed by Police Captain Manuelito P. Abalayan, Station Commander, represented by Police Major Nolian Romobio. NCPO Station 6, headed by Police Major Melvin S. Alayan, Station Commander, represented by Police Chief Master Sergeant Raul A. Papa. Naga City Mobile Police Company, headed by Police Major Barry P. Sorilla, Acting Force Commander. NCPO Mobile Patrol Unit, headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Dennis A. Sanjuan, Chief Mobile Patrol Unit, represented by Police Executive Master Sergeant Rodolfo Bundes. NCPO Traffic Enforcement Unit, headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Gary D. Mangente, Chief Traffic Enforcement Unit. Naga City Fire Station, headed by Fire Chief Inspector Mark Alan Canuel Consiquera, City Fire Marshal, represented by SFO1 Arwin Young. PNP Anti-Cybercrime, headed by Police Captain Angelo A. Babagay, Team Leader, represented by Police Staff Sergeant Eddie Madrigalihos. Hanaman Municipal Police Station, headed by Police Major Elizalde C. Calingacion, Officer in Charge, represented by Police Captain Bernie Andismo. Public Safety Office, headed by Mr. Rene F. Gumba, Executive Officer, represented by Admin Chief Rolando Francia. Kamaligan Municipal Police Station, headed by Police Major Jason B. Andres, Officer in Charge, represented by Police Captain Fatima Lanusa. PNP Aviation Security Group, headed by Police Captain Philip B. Lanuso. Station Chief. Naga City District Jail, BJMP, headed by Attorney Rodolfo L. Versosa Jr., Warden, represented by SJO2 Robert Nanales, Chief Admin Officer. Land Transportation Office, headed by Mrs. Grace R. Rojas, Naga City Office, Naga District Office Chief. Camarines Sur Police Provincial Office, headed by Police Colonel Julius Cesar M. Domingo, Provincial Director, represented by Police Lieutenant Colonel Lino Ben National Bureau of Investigation, headed by Head Agent Yul Erwin Marpuri, Agent in Charge, represented by Agent 3 Angelo Sarsoso. Public Attorney's Office, headed by Attorney Romel B. Castro, District Public Attorney. Magarao Municipal Police Station, headed by Police Captain Beverly M. Calahate, Officer in Charge, represented by Police Staff Sergeant Leia T. Carrascal. And Naga College Foundation, headed by Mr. Dan Emil B. Villanueva, Security and Safety Officer. Together with the intern supervisor, department head, dean, administrative staff, headed by Dr. Roger Villanueva, Chief Finance Officer, Vice President for Academic Affairs, School President, together with the guest of honor and speaker. Again, let us all welcome the Vice President, the Executive. Let us all welcome the Executive Vice President, Dr. Aida P. Osea. Together with the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez. Dean, the Dean of College of Criminal Justice Education, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, together with the School President and the guest of honor and speaker. Remain standing for the invocation to be followed by the entrance of colors, singing of the Philippine National Anthem and NCF.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, toss our fears aside, let us be bold. In this journey of growth, we'll never fold. We give you glory for the future we now hold. Engage in our mission, compassion for education. We rally for your cause, Lord, champion of all champions. Send us out in your name to serve the people and the nation. Chase our dreams as we win each fight. Hold our heads high, we roar and soar with might. Afford us to with humility as we leap into the future, mightily holding on to life like tiger champions clever. Praise and glory to you, O Lord, always and forever. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of colors.
Kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Good afternoon and welcome to this momentous occasion as we gather to celebrate the graduation of our criminology interns. I am Miss Jane Tikison Alba and I am the in charge of the ceremonies. Today marks the criminology internship recognition and graduation ceremonies with a theme, criminology interns upholding the quality and excellence in serving the society. I would like to thank each one of you for being here as we acknowledge the hard work, dedication, and achievements of these remarkable individuals, the criminology interns. To the parents, faculty of NCF Criminology headed by Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, to the head and representatives of our partner agencies, to the Chief Finance Officer, Dr. Roser Villanueva, to the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth Maniquez, to the Executive Vice President, Dr. Aida P. Osea, and to the guest of honor and speaker, Police Colonel Erwin L. Rebellion. To give us a welcome message, may I call in the Intern Supervisor, Dr. Imard C. Gomez. A round of applause, please.
Thank you. To our Executive Vice President of the Naga College Foundation, Dr. Ma'am Aida Osea, ma'am. Our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Maniquez. To our guest of honor and speaker, which will be introduced later. And to our Dean, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares. And of course, to our department head, Dr. Arnold Abiog. And of course, the heads of the 24 partner agencies who are present here, and some were presented. And to the proud parents and interns, welcome and good afternoon to all of you. For the graduating criminology interns, congratulations on completing your criminology internship as you embark on the next phase of your journey. I want to commend you for your dedication and enduring the consequences during your internship. And today marks your culmination of the internship program, and we hope that all the knowledge and skills, including the right attitude, were properly imparted to you by our different agencies who painstakingly guide you on the different law enforcement work. And we do hope that as a graduate of the Naga College Foundation Criminology Department, you will bring honor to the institution when you leave this school. So good luck to all of you. And again, once again, Diyos maray na hapon.
Thank you, Dr. Gomez, for the warm greetings. At this point, recognition of institutional awards is hereby given to the members of partner agencies and their leaders who dedicate their time and effort during the internship of our dearest graduates. May I request Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, Dr. Nora Elizabeth Maniquez, and Dr. Aida P. Osea to award the Certificate of Appreciation. Citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. College of Criminal Justice Education, Center of Development in Criminology. Awards the Certificate of Appreciation to NCPO Criminal Investigation Detection Management Unit, headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Seriargo M. Pasur Jr., Chief Criminal Investigation Detection Management Unit. Represented by Police Executive Master Sergeant Jose Luis A. Caparoso, for the kind accommodation provided to the students of Naga College Foundation Incorporated during their internship training for the academic year 2023-2024, thereby fostering the value of hard work and discipline essential to the practice of their chosen profession and to the delivery of public service. Given this 24th day of May 2024, during the Criminology Internship Recognition and Graduation Ceremonies at the 10th Avenue Plaza Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, Bean College of Criminal Justice Education, Assistant Vice President for Tertiary Education. Signed, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, President. The same certificate is hereby awarded to the Public Attorney's Office, headed by Attorney Romel B. Castro, District Public Attorney. The same award is hereby given to Public Safety Office, headed by Mr. Rene F. Gumba, Executive Officer, represented by Admin Chief Rolando Francia. Land Transportation Office, headed by Mrs. Grace R. Rojas, Naga District Office Chief. The same award is hereby given to the National Bureau of Investigation, headed by Head Agent Yul Erwin Marpuri, Agent in Charge, represented by Agent 3 Angelo Sarsoso. The same award is hereby given to Naga City District Jail, BJMT, headed by Attorney Rodolfo L. Bersosa Jr., Warden, represented by SJO2 Robert Nanalen, Chief Admin Officer. Naga City Fire Station, headed by Fire Chief Inspector Mark Alan Canuel Consiguera, City Fire Marshal, represented by SFO1 Arvin Young. PNP Aviation Security Group, headed by Police Captain Philip B. Lanuso, Station Chief. PNP Anti-Cybercrime, headed by Police Captain Angelo A. Babagay, Team Leader, represented by Police Staff Sergeant Eddie Madrigalihos. Camarines Sur Police Provincial Office, headed by Police Colonel Julius Cesar M. Domingo, Provincial Director, represented by Police Lieutenant Colonel Dino Ben Rigasmo. Camaligan Municipal Police Station, headed by Police Major Jason B. Andres, Officer in Charge, represented by Police Captain Fatima Lanusa. Canacman Municipal Police Station, headed by Police Major Elizalde C. Calingacion, Officer in Charge, represented by Police Captain Bernie Andisimo. Magarao Municipal Police Station, headed by Police Captain Beverly M. Calahate, Officer in Charge, represented by Police Staff Sergeant Leia T. Carrascal. NCPO Mobile Patrol Unit, headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Dennis A. San Juan, Chief, Mobile Patrol Unit, represented by Police Executive Master Sergeant Rodolfo Briñas. NCPO Intelligence Division, headed by Police Major Rodolfo Borromeo, Chief Intel. NCPO Criminal Investigation Detection Management Unit, headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Seriargo M. Paser Jr., Chief, Criminal Investigation Detection Management Unit, represented by Police Executive Master Sergeant Jose Luis A. Caparoso. NCPO Mobile Patrol Unit, headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Dennis A. San Juan, Chief, Mobile Patrol Unit, represented by Police Executive Master Sergeant Rodolfo Briñas. NCPO Station 1, headed by Police Major Ray M. Alvarez, Station Commander. Again, NCPO Station 1, headed by Police Major Ray M. Alvarez, Station Commander. NCPO Station 2, headed by Police Major Zuby D. Leonar, Station Commander. NCPO Station 3, headed by Police Major Alex T. Sumayaw, Station Commander. NCPO Station 4, headed by Police Major Antonio R. Per Jr., Station Commander, represented by Police Lieutenant Arnolfo Sarmiento Jr. NCPO Station 5, headed by Police Captain Manuelito P. Abalain, Station Commander, represented by Police Major Nolian Romobio. NCPO Station 6, headed by Police Major Melvin S. Alliance, Station Commander, represented by Police Chief Master Sergeant Raul A. Papa. Naga City Mobile Force Company, headed by Police Major Barry Gibb T. Sorilla, Acting Force Commander. NCPO Traffic Enforce Unit, headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Gary D. V. Mangente, Chief Traffic Enforce Unit. And Naga College Foundation, headed by Mr. Dan Emil B. Villanueva, Security and Safety Officer. Another award is hereby given to students who excel the most during their practicum days. Said awardee will receive a medal starting off with top 11. Minette R. Riorizo with an average of 98.37. Top 10 for the excellence in practicum, John Lloyd G. Arcilia, 98.48. Top 9, Joy Marnelli P. Arco with an average of 98.56. Top 8 for the excellence in practicum, Kathleen May B. Comingue with an average of 98.63. Top 7, Annelie B. Lumbang, 98.87. Paul Justin L. Lagos, 98.69. Ann Faye P. Oberos, 98.76. Wilmar Paul D. Marshall, 98.78. Top 3, Alaika Susain R. Obligado, 98.87. Top 2 for the excellence in practicum, Nicole G. Referisa, 98.88. And for our top 1 in the excellence in practicum, Mikey P. Tordilla, 99.14. Another award is hereby given to Another award is hereby presented to team leaders of each team for being a role model to his or her members. Citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. College of Criminal Justice Education, Center of Development in Criminology, awards the Certificate of Recognition to Moises F. Abarca for having contributed his time and effort during the Criminology Internship Training Program for academic year 2023-2024 as team leader. Given this 24th day of May 2024 during the Criminology Internship Recognition and Graduation Ceremonies at the 10th Avenue Plaza Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, Dean, College of Criminal Justice Education, Assistant Vice President for Tertiary Education. Signed, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, President. The same award is hereby given to John Michael Ancheta. John Paul B. Anoras. John Lloyd G. Arcilia. John Carlo D.C. Babelonia. Ron C. Baque. Mark Brian C. Bedes. Anthony L. Belano. Rodley S.B. Belen. Mark Alden B. Bigtas. Al Jeremy J. Boholano. Van Cyro B. Clasio. Earl Justin G. Clado. Eldefonso Rodolfo E. Cortez VI. John Michael A. de Belen. Joric B. de la Trinidad. Mark Anthony R. Falabe. Domingo B. Fenis Jr. Prince Aldrian A. Fernandez. Jobert P. Floriano. Al Newell B. Hade. Sabas Romeo E. Enterino. John Christian S. Holianes. Daniel P. Lanyada. John Ellison A. Lim. Denver A. Lozano. Marvin L. Masapol. Ian Daniel B. Masto. Carl Eman B. Melia. John Alexis Murillo. Ricardo D. Nuis Jr. Raymond A. Waferina. Warden E. Obsequio. Melchor S. Ugnita. Nino Audrey B. Parola. Angelo I. Kimpo. Neil John B. Rabanilla. Dominic B. Razon. Jose Bernardo D. Remitir. James M. Robles. James M. Sabang. Mark Rowell M. Salvador. Leandro N. Sandro. Jerome B. Santiago. Ralph Roque J. Velasco. John Brenner H. Villamora. Mark Angelo B. Villar. And John Harold L. Villasis. same award is hereby given to assistant team leaders. Citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City, College of Criminal Justice Education, Center of Development in Criminology. Awards the Certificate of Recognition to Emilia A. Abrasado for having contributed his time and effort during the Criminology Internship Training Program for academic year 2023-2024 as Assistant Team Leader. Given this 24th day of May 2024 during the Criminology Internship Recognition and Graduation Ceremonies at the 10th Avenue Plaza Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, Dean, College of Criminal Justice Education, Assistant Vice President for Tertiary Education. Signed, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, President. The same award is hereby given to Ainra Leus C. Agalon. Clarence S. Bables. Angela Yula M. Baduya. Emmy C. Balderrama. Angeline C. Balingbing. May H. Barameda. Kimberly Belista. Katrina C. Berenguela. Hershey R. Bunyon. Ella G. Borja. Sheila Mea B. Brescia. Joanne B. Cado. Camille S. Credo. Maria April B. Daco. Mara May L. Dacuya. Danica Marie D. R. Dumalasa. Realine R. Espaldon. Fiona K. M. Strelies. Emilu Maria P. Galang. Kyla May R. Gomez. Karen N. Gutierrez. Janice S. Hernandez. Maria Edith Crisma Faye R. Hara. Jonna Faye C. Casilag. Lovely A. Lagarta. Stephanie Yvette G. Lizardo. Angela A. Magtaka. Rosan S.J. Medroso. Sophia Jane A. Miranda. Mika A. Jester J. Mirando. Carla A. Mortega. Jessica B. Nebres. Roxanne G. Nogales. Alaika Susain R. Obligado. Crystal Jane and Orlina. Maria Jessica S. Ortega. Kate Andrea R. Paraan. Pistel Elaine W. Periña. Genevieve P. Regalario. Minette R. Riorizo. Gia May D. Salvino. Cassandra C. Sumpay. Princess Kate B. Tagilid. Mikey P. Tordilla. Syra May M. Villamor. Jelly D. Villanueva. And Romilisa C. Sape. Another award is hereby given to the intern class president for the commitment and devotion given during her period. The citation goes, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City, College of Criminal Justice Education, Center of Development in Criminology, awards the Certificate of Recognition to Mikey P. Tordilla for having contributed her time and effort as class president during the Criminology Internship Training Program for the academic year 2023-2024. Given this 24th day of May 2024, during the Criminology Internship Recognition and Graduation Ceremonies at the 10th Avenue Plaza Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, Dean, College of Criminal Justice Education, Assistant Vice President for Tertiary Education. Signed, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, President. To present to us the candidates for graduation, may I call in Dr. Marilyn F. Balares. A round of applause, please.
Candidates for graduation, please rise. Madam Executive Vice President, upon the recommendation of the faculty and the Dean of the College of Criminal Justice Education, I have the honor to present to you these 357 strong and able-bodied criminology interns for graduation. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements as prescribed in the Criminology Internship Training Program of Naga College Foundation, academic year 2023-2024. Madam, for your conferment.
By the power vested in the President of the Naga College Foundation by the Board of Trustees, I have the honor on his behalf to confirm you internship graduates. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Aida P. Osea. You may now be seated. Let us now listen to the valedictory speech of Ms. Mikey P. Tordilla. Please clap your hands.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed faculty and staff, honored agency representatives, family and friends, and my dear fellow inmates, good afternoon. It is with immense gratitude and joy that I stand before you today as the valedictorian of our class. This moment is the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and the unwavering support of many who believed in us, even when we doubted ourselves. As a young girl, I dreamed of achieving something great. I envisioned myself walking through the halls of a prestigious school, my heart set on reaching heights that once seemed impossible. But dreams, as we know, often require more than just imagination. They demand perseverance, resilience, and often a bit of luck. My journey was filled with countless challenges. There were times when the path ahead seemed unclear, and I wondered if I would ever find my way. But each time I stumbled, I found strength in the encouragement of my family, the wisdom of my teachers, and the camaraderie of my friends. It was this collective support that kept me moving forward even when the odds seemed insurmountable. When the news finally arrived that I had been granted a full scholarship from senior high school to college, it felt like the universe had aligned in my favor. That scholarship was not just a financial blessing. It was a testament to the belief that hard work and determination can indeed pave the way to our dreams. Today, as I stand before you, I am filled with an overwhelming sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the opportunity to pursue my education without the burden of financial strain. Gratitude for the mentors who guided me, and gratitude for the community that nurtured me. This scholarship has been a cornerstone of my journey, allowing me to focus on my studies, explore my passions, and grow into the person I am today. And I will never forget the persons who trusted my capabilities. My deepest gratitude goes to Mr. Joel C. Villanueva, Miss Mary Ann Arindaeng, and Mr. Mario C. Villanueva. Your belief in my potential fueled my determination to excel. Our internship journey was never easy. Each day began with early mornings and the rush to be punctual and prepared, reflecting our determination to meet the challenges ahead. I am very grateful to have parents who are very caring, joining me with my early morning routines and driving me to agencies I am assigned to every week. To my mama and papa, thank you so much. This is all for you. This also goes to every parent who have sacrificed and dedicated their time and lives honing a responsible child. To my fellow interns who were away from home during their internship journey, I salute you all for making it this far. When we first embarked on this path, we knew it wouldn't be easy. Criminology is a field that demands not only intellectual rigor, but also emotional resilience and a steadfast commitment. I commend my team, D4, for being one of my solid ground and reliable teammates throughout this journey. We have become a family, welcoming each other in our homes warmly. Despite the initial nerves and the occasional overwhelm, the mentorship and guidance from our supportive supervisors provided a safety net of support. By the end of each day, the exhaustion was palpable, but so was the sense of accomplishment and growth. Our internship journey was not just about acquiring professional skills, but also about developing resilience, time management, and a deeper commitment to serving society with quality and excellence. This will never be possible without the greatest contribution of the following. First and foremost, I extend our sincerest thanks to our esteemed institution. Your unwavering commitment to providing a robust and comprehensive education has laid a strong foundation for our future endeavors. To the Department of College of Criminal Justice Education, your guidance and support have been invaluable. You have equipped us with the knowledge and skills for navigating the complexities of the real journey once we became full-fledged law enforcers. To Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, Dean of College of Criminal Justice Education, your commitment, your vision, and support have been instrumental in shaping our educational journey and preparing us for our future roles in the criminal justice field. Your dedication to fostering a nurturing and dynamic learning environment has made our experience truly enriching and transformative. I would also like to extend our deepest appreciation and heartfelt thanks to Dr. Amar Z. Gomez, our intern supervisor, for his unwavering dedication and exceptional guidance throughout our internship program. You have inspired us to strive for the highest standards in our professional and personal lives. Your support and encouragement have empowered us to overcome challenges and reach our full potential. We promise to you that we will be always thirsty in seeking for improvement. To our dedicated department head and batch advisor, Dr. Arnold Eva Biog, to all the faculty and staff, we owe you a deep depth of gratitude, your passion for teaching and relentless pursuit of excellence. You have not only imparted knowledge, but also instilled in us the value of integrity, diligence, and compassion. To Dr. Mary Grace Villar, Ma'am Jaisal Bianto, and to all the student angels of the Department of Criminal Justice Education, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. We are also profoundly grateful to the various agencies and offices that have partnered with our institution. Your willingness to share your expertise and provide real-world experience has been instrumental in our professional growth. Through your mentorship, we have gained practical insights and honed our abilities to serve the community effectively. A special thanks goes to our team leaders and assistant team leaders. Your leadership has been pivotal in ensuring the success of our internship. Your support has been a beacon of strength, helping us to achieve our goals and surpass our expectations. To my family, thank you for your patience and for always being there to listen, to cheer me on, and to offer comforting word when the going got tough. Your love and sacrifices have been the silent pillars of my journey, making all of this achievement possible. This accomplishment is as much yours as it is ours. To my friends, Edwin, Prince, and Wilfred, and my dearest Mark Angelo, thank you from the bottom of my heart for being my greatest supporters and my most trusted allies. You have made this journey bearable. I couldn't have done it without you. To my fellow interns, congratulations. Our journey has been marked by hard work, perseverance, and unyielding commitment to excellence. We have grown not just as an individual, but as a collective, ready to make positive impact on society. As we step into our professional lives, let us carry these lessons that we have learned, the values that we uphold, and the passion that drive us. I want to say this: we have all faced our own unique challenges and overcome them to be here today. Each of us has a story of perseverance and triumph. To conclude, let us remember that our journey does not end here. We are now advocates for the vulnerable and champions of a safer and a fairer society. Let us continue to uphold the standards of quality and excellence in all our endeavors, ensuring that our contributions make a lasting difference. Thank you and congratulations once again to the criminology interns of this graduating class. Together, we will shape a brighter future. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Delia, for the empowering words you have shared. May I request Dr. Marlene F. Balares to introduce to us the guest of honor for today's event.
To our guest of honor and speaker, whom I will be introducing, sir, to the heads and representatives of our partner agencies, to our Executive Vice President, Dr. Aida Osea, ma'am, to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth Maniquez, ma'am, to our Chief Finance Officer, Dr. Roger Villanueva, sir, to our Department Head, Dr. Arnold Abiog, and to our Criminology Intern Supervisor, Dr. Aymar Gomez, to the proud parents, interns, faculty members, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yan. It is my distinct honor and privilege to introduce our esteemed guest of honor and speaker for this afternoon's momentous occasion. His name echoes the essence of service, dedication, and compassion. Our guest of honor and speaker exalted a character or quality that made him unique, manifested in all his achievements as a law enforcer. He was born on January 14, 1973, from a humble family in Balatas, Naga City. He is happily married to Police Colonel Maria Cristina Rebellion and a father of 3 children, namely Lord Philip, Shim Othniel, and Sonora Liam. His unparalleled passion and dedication to to service mirrors his unwavering diligence in work and education. He earned his bachelor's degree in criminology at Naga College Foundation in 1994 and passed the criminology licensure examination a year later. He then earned his master's in criminology at the University of St. Anthony in 2011, NAPOLCOM Inspector Examination, and Police Executive Service eligibility are among his eligibilities that revamp his track record. He was called to police service in 1996. Since then, he has undergone various trainings, seminars, and schoolings, which significantly contributed to his professional growth from non-commissioned to commissioned officers such as Public Safety Senior Executive Course, Public Safety Officers Advanced Course, Public Safety Intelligence Basic Officers Course, Special Weapons and Tactics Course, PICAD Course, and Investigation Officer Basic Course. He spent his career in the National Headquarters Support Unit Highway Patrol Group from 1999 before being designated the top man of Naga City Police Office. A testament to his knowledge and dedication to sworn duty, our guest of honor and speaker was assigned to different regional offices, namely National Capital Region in 2012, Eastern Visayas in 2013, Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao in 2014, Mimaropa in 2019, and Central Visayas in 2020. He was the Regional Director of Highway Patrol Group, Region 5, from November 2022 to November 2023. He also briefly held the position of Company Commander of Camarines Norte and Camarines Sur Police Provincial Office Mobile Force Company in 2017. With his various assignments and designations, he has been receiving awards, commendations, and medals as proof of his hard work and commitment to service. Among significant accomplishments under his leadership is the apprehension of 9 most wanted persons for the crime of carnapping and 9 apprehensions during actual anti-carnapping operations, and the return of 15 motor vehicles and 51 motorcycles. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure and honor to introduce to you one of the most successful graduates of our beloved institution, the Naga College Foundation, our very own City Director of Naga City Police Office, Police Colonel Erwin L. Rebellion.
Ma'am, please ito. Na-surprise ako, ma'am. Ganito na pala, ma'am, ka-extensive ang graduation, ma'am, ng internship. Kasi way back before, parang 4 na section lang kami nung 4th year ako sa Naga College. Kaya close kami noon. Okay. Kilala kami mas ang bawat isa. Okay. Sige. Education breeds confidence. confidence breeds hope. Hope breeds peace by Confucius. At the outset, let me first acknowledge the woman behind the success of criminal justice education in Naga College Foundation. The Lady Dragon of NCF. Our dearest and gorgeous Ma'am and Dr. Marilyn Balares. Ma'am, we want to extend our sincerest appreciation for the monumental impact you've had for every criminology students. Lahat po, okay? Our learning journey. Thank you for lighting the path of knowledge for us. Your influence goes beyond books. And you taught us the valuable life lessons that will help us a better person and a dedicated public servant. Allow me also to acknowledge one by one our instructor and instructress during our days. Thus, some are now in the arms of angels. May their soul find solace and tranquility in our divine grades. So, I have made my research, okay, sino-sino ang mga instructor namin noon, and I believe right now that the batch of 1994 graduate is the most famous batch of all the batches. And Ma'am Malin can attest to that. We have in the name of Alex Pederio. Isali na natin yung city director. Sino pa ba? We have from non-academe, si classmate na aalala ko, Estelito de la Cruz. We also have Arnold Abiog, Dr. Arnold Abiog, Dr. Literal. And majority of my classmates made it to the service. So parang yung batch 94 fulfilled. Okay? Marami sa amin nakapasok sa serbisyo. So I was able to grasp this data through the aid of my batchmates para mabuo yung pool of instructors of ours way back 30 years ago. So parang tanda-tanda na namin. But right now, I am 51. So I still have, kung ma-approve yung MUP, I still have 6 years more in the service. Kung hindi man, I still have 5 years to go. So, of course, unahin natin sa pool of instructors, the Lady Tiger of NCF, si Mamalin. Okay? If you can recall, Attorney Bermas passed away way back before. We also have, I recall, Dr. Carizo. So, kilala nyo pa rin siguro si Sir Wilmore Pulpino, the running man. Okay? Si Professor Luis Paurillo. Minsan binisita ko sa office. Medyo mahina ng mata. Si Ma'am Marillama, who just passed away, I think, way back 5 years ago. Pims Bungon, na nag-retire pa lang recently, 2 weeks ago. Nahandelan pa kami niyan, I think, in philosophy. So, nakagraduate naman siya sa police, I think, 25 years in the service as police staff sergeant, something like that. I can recall also Professor Albao, math subject, Professor Pulyero, nagkita po kami sa isang event. Si Major Barde. Major Barde. Ito yung nagtiwala sa akin way back. Kasi minsan, he's the city fire marshal. Yung baril niya sa akin na pinapatago. Sabi niya, itago mo yan. So, nakitaan siguro kagad tayo ng ano. So, kasama ko siya. Natuto ako sa kanyang uminom. Si Ma'am Garcira, siyempre, if you can recall, Ma'am Garcira, isa sa mga 60 teachers namin noon. Si Ma'am Madrid. Right now, wala na kayong Spanish subjects. So talaga parang matanda na kami So before we have this Spanish subject. So naalala ni Dr. Emard Gomez kasi naka-undergo pa rin siya. Si Professor Dato, Arading Pandipunan niya, history yata mo, si Sir Dato. Professor Barado, our defense tactics instructor. Attorney Garpin, judge na, di ba? Colonel Claros, I don't know ma'am kung buhay pa si ma'am or he just passed away also. And Professor Sierra. So ito po yung mga instructor namin noon. So they are all incredible mentor and a role model. They're not just our teachers, but for me, I consider them as my second family. Actually, may naalala ako Since ang magulang ko is just an ordinary teacher, yung tatay ko is an employee of City Hall. Actually, nangutang pa ako kay Ma'am para makakuha ng pamas. Kasi ayaw ko nang humingi sa magulang ko noon ng pera, magtitik ng board. Although mayroon naman kami bahay sa Maynila. So nangutang ako sa kanila, pero hindi ko sila binigo. Actually, ang pinaka-review ko noon, yung I was taking masteral, 1994, nagmamasteral ako. Witness po sila Ma'am Badares, classmate ko po sila. After graduation, nag-aral na po tayo kasi wala pa pong recruit. So, naging classmate ko si Ma'am, yung Lady Tiger natin dito sa Naga College Foundation. So, nothing makes a teacher prouder than seeing their student succeed. Knowing that they help their student the skills they needed for the future. So, on a personal note, words cannot capture my appreciation. Thank you for the positive influence for all of us. My grandest salute to all of them. Okay. To the STEAM faculty and staff, headed by Dr. Roger P. Villanueva, the Chief Finance Officer, my brother in Mason, sir. To Dr. Oida P. Osea, the Executive Vice President, ma'am. To Dr. Nora Elizabeth Maniquez, Vice President for Academics Affairs, ma'am. So, to Dr. Arnold F. Abiog, Department Head of Criminal Justice Education. Sir, classmate. To Doctors Emard C. Gomez, the Intern Supervisor, also a brother Mason. Brother. I'd like also to acknowledge all my personnel who is also around. Tinext ko sila, sabi ko, you have to be present. Okay, so from the NCPO Criminal Investigation Management Unit. Haba-habaan ko na. Minsan lang tayo maging guest of honor and speaker. Okay? So we have from CIDMU, nakita ko siya represented by my snappy Chief Respo or Caparoso, Pebs Caparoso. Okay? My Intel Officer of Naga City CPO. Yung pinakahatrab ng mga officer natin, Police Major Rodolfo Bonomeo, okay? My Station 1 Commander, Ray Alvarez. From Naga College din dyan. NCPO Station 2 Commander, si Jubil Lunar. NCPO Station Commander, number 3, Alex Sumayaw. Okay? Station Commander ng Station 4, Major Per. Station Commander, NCPO Station 5 Commander, si Nolan Romobio, also from Naga College. Okay? NCPO Station 6 Commander, I know he's from Naga College. Melvin Alayan, pero hindi ko siya nakita. Represented by Raul Papa from Naga College also. Okay? Also, a brother Mason, the acting force commander of Naga City Mobile Force Company. Police Major and soon to be Police Colonel, Lieutenant Colonel Barry Gib Surilla, brother. May MPU, Mobile Patrol Unit, Dennis San Juan, nagpaalam to. Dadalhin lang daw yung asawa niya sa hospital. Okay. Represented by Rodolfo Brines. Okay. May TEO and he will be retiring from the service soon. Gary B. Manente. To the Naga City Fire Marshal, represented by SFO1 Arwin Yap. NCF din, sabi ni ma'am. From the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Team Leader, Captain Angelo Babagay. And being represented by Madrigal Litos, Peace SSG. Okay. So, I believe that Major Kalingasyon is now relieved. And Chief of Police of Kanaman is Bernie Ondisimo. Tao ko pa to sa PMFC. Ngayon, ano na, kapitan na. Okay? So, Public Safety Office, our partners, si Mr. Rene Gomba, si Sir Rene, represented by his Admin Chief, Rolando Francia, sir. From Kamaligan, represented by Captain Lanuza. Naga City District BGMP, represented by Robert Nanale. Okay. From the land transportation, ito po yung lagi kong kasama. Kaya kanina nag-renit ko siya. Kami po ang implementing arm ng LTO. Kaya pag nagkakaroon ng one time, big time, ito po yung partner namin, si Ma'am Grace. Very approachable. Ma'am Grace Rojas. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Grace. From Kamsur PPO, si Police Colonel Julio Cesar Domingo, nandito po kasi si Ma'am Amy, so busy siya. Kaya nirepresent na po siya ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Ligaspi. Okay. From the National Bureau of Investigation, I was thinking, my brother Mason, si Erwin, ang atin, pero he is represented by Agent 3 Angelo Sarsuso. Please give my regards to him. Okay. From the Public Attorney's Office, nandito po, Romel B. Castro. Nandito po ba siya? Okay. Magarao Police Station, represented by PSSG Carrascal. Okay. Naga College din to, I believe. So, actually, dominated natin ang Region 5 pag sa police. So, palakpan natin po ang Naga College Foundation. So, the security officer, the security and safety officer of Naga College Foundation, Dan Emily B. Villanueva. To all the parents, okay, the proud parents of these interns graduates, visitor, and other guests, an inspiring afternoon to all. It is always a distinct pride and honor to be invited as the guest of honor and speaker at this esteemed school. Okay, Dinaga College Foundation. The criminology, internship, recognition, and graduation ceremony. Hindi po namin ito naranasan before. Siguro kukunti lang kami. Siguro wala kami mga pera noon. Ngayon, pwede nag-provide. We have this good venue, aircon, di ba? So, with the team upholding quality of excellence in serving the society, this is now Naga College Foundation is known for embracing quality education and bringing into its greater heights. So kudos sa ating alma mater, and soon you will be graduate, and advance congratulations to every one of you. So totoo pala yung sinasabi nila na sa Latin, yung tempus fugit or time flies. So kay bilis ng panahon. So we have to cherish, take note, we have to cherish every moment. For one day, you will look back and realize they were the big moments. So looking back before, yung mga moment pala natin noon na naging disiplinado tayo, nag-aaral tayo ng mabuti, umiiwas tayo sa bisyo, bagkus, nagpapalakas tayo ng katawan, at inihahanda natin ang sarili natin sa nakaakmang bukasyon, ang pagpupulis. It takes two to tango pag gusto nyo magpulis. You have to be physically and mentally fit. You have to be physically and mentally fit. Okay. Yun na pala ang uhulma at uukit ng ating kapalaran. Yung ginagawa natin ngayon. In life, it's often the little moments that can have the biggest impact on us. Those simple, everyday occurrences that might not even give a second thought to at that time can become the cherished memories that stay with us forever. My dear student, don't lose track. Don't lose track. Umpisa natin sa sarili ang disiplina. Magalang. Iwasan ang bisyo. Bigyan ng premium ang pagpapalakas ng katawan. At mag-aral ng mabuti. Lahat ng bagay pwede nating mapagbagian. Ganon din sa serbisyo. Walang pinag-iba. Kung nasa loob ka na ng organisasyon, gawing maagang pumasok. Maagang pumasok. Iwasan magliban sa trabaho. Okay? Sumunod sa mga alituntunin ng organisasyon. Maging magalang. At iwasan ang lahat na gawaing masama. At huwag tayong sasawsaw sa illegal or pinagbabawal na gamot. 30 years ago, I was also in your shoe. Dreaming also to become police officer. Lahat kayo nangangarap na maging police. Imagining how it feels like to have a caliber 45. Caliber 45 tucked in your hips. Yung pabukol-bukol. Or wearing police uniforms with police badge. Dreaming also of having your own car. And I tell myself, sabi ko, maski owner lang, pwede na. Totoo yan. But God is good. I made all that possible. Okay? I made all that possible. But success is no accident. Success is no accident. You have to fight to reach your dream. Hindi kami mayaman. Ang aking ina, sabi ko sa inyo, isang guro, ordinaryong guro, at ang aking ama ay isang empleyado dyan sa City Hall, sa City Engineer's Office. Mind you, hindi po naging hadlang ang kulang ang baon o walang pambiling bagong sapatos. You can't achieve anything in life without a small amount of sacrifice. It's a thrilling 4-year stay in this institution sa Naga College Foundation. Since I am a varsity in martial arts, ito po nagbigay din sa akin ng lugar para makarating ako sa Amerika to compete internationally. So, I am varsity in martial arts, and to maintain your scholarship, you have to be victorious for every competition. But I enjoy it, and winning is no exemption. Why make us good? Bakit tayo magaling? The secret is what? Discipline. John Maxwell says, small discipline repeated with consistency every day lead to achievement, gain slowly over time. Napagtagumpayan ko po ang kulang-kulang na 4 na taon na ako po ay hindi nagbayad ng matrikula. At nahinirang po as one of the athletic of the year noong 1994. Hindi man po tayo nagyayabang. Until now, kapital po natin yan. We invest on physical health. Okay? Kasi that will be always first impression last. Hindi ko sinasabi may mga pulis tayo malalaki ang katawan. Pero pag nakita tayo na snappy, first impression last. So ito lang po ang panuntunan ko sa buhay at serbisyo. Disiplina, serbisyong hindi pakit ng tao. Serbisyong hindi pakit ng tao. Hindi mapaglamang. Magalang at may takot sa Diyos. Okay? Pero for me, it's always good to be back. Galing po ako dito, marami nang nagbago. Naga College Foundation right now is the epitome and embodiment of excellence in delivering educational standard, producing top-notchers criminologists. During our time, iba pag Ateneo ka. Iba. Iba pag UNC ka. Noon. But right now, ibang-iba kung isa kang Tigers. Palakpakan natin ang Naga College Foundation. So according to Mike Kokabe, it's when ordinary people rise above the expectation and seize the opportunity that milestone truly a reach, not necessarily that we are, rocket scientists in our chosen profession. Hindi natin kailangan napakatalino sa pagpupulis. The goal of policing are to promote a safe and secure society, to preserve the peace, to address crime and uphold the law. Yun po ang ginagawa kong initiative sa Naga. Simple policing. Yung makapaprevent ka ng krimen, safe ang tao na natutulog sa gabi. Simple. Hindi ko po kinocomplicate ang lahat na bagay-bagay sa pagpapatupad sa batas. Dear student, for a society not to crumble, its individual must have solid foundation built on self-esteem and integrity. Lagi nating tatandaan, they may choose to ignore the truth, execute wrongdoing, and tempt us to do the same. But we must always choose what is right, no matter how laborious it is. Ang pagiging matapat at mabuting tao ay isang conscious effort. I know Naga College Foundation taught you well in this area. So, be of service. Be of service. Immerse yourself, but be aware that at some point, you will be called upon to do something inconceivable. Darating ang panahon nasusubukin kayo to the point na kinakailangan yung lagpasan ang inaakala nyong limitasyon nyo. Soon you will be heroes. Soon you will be heroes. And you will be valiant to some as they will not understand nor appreciate your deeds. Iba po ang pagpupulis. Kaya pag may nakausap ako na medyo na negative sa mga pulis, nagagalit ako kasi alam ko ang hirap maging pulis. Tulog ang mga sibilyan, tayo gising. Okay? But always have courage. Do not lose sight of you are. Kapag nahihirapan na at gusto nang sumuko, o kaya naman ay i-compromise ang prinsipyo. Okay. Balikan nyo kung bakit nyo to lahat ginawa. Balikan nyo. Bakit nyo lahat ginawa. It's not what happened to us, but our response to what happens to us that will make all the difference. Okay? Always remember that you choose this path because this is your mission. This is your mission. Only few are called. Only few are called, in how lucky you are to be among them. You will save lives, you will protect society, but let me reiterate that you must solidify your core first. Kapag buo ka, kapag intact ang prinsipyo at sense of duty, you are not only going to be strong and resilient, but you are also going to be one of those who can extend substantial support to your peers. Isa ka sa mga aakay kapag ang mga kasamaan mo ay nahihirapan na. God bless each of you. May you all serve our community with pride and dignity. Always go back to the core and elevate the standard and quality of excellence in serving the society. Trust yourself, but more importantly, trust God. As Luke says, 1:37, for with God nothing shall be impossible. Maraming salamat po, and God bless the Filipino people.
Thank you so much, Police Colonel Erwin L. Rebellion. At this juncture, we would like to extend our gratitude and award the Certificate of Appreciation. Allow me to read the citation. Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MC Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. College of Criminal Justice Education, Center of Development in Criminology. Awards the Certificate of Appreciation to Police Colonel Erwin L. Rebellion in recognition of his generous time, expertise, and effort as guest of honor and speaker during the Criminology Internship Recognition and Graduation Ceremonies with the theme, Criminology Interns Upholding the Standard of Quality and Excellence in Serving the Society, held at the 10th Avenue Plaza Hotel, Naga City on March 24, 2024, which contributed immensely to the affair's success. Given this 24th day of May 2024 during the Criminology Internship Recognition and Graduation Ceremonies at the 10th Avenue Plaza Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, Dean College of Criminal Justice Education, ABP for Tertiary Education. Signed, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, President. To give us a message on behalf of the NCF President, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, may I call in the Executive?
So may token din, it should be given during the birthday celebration of Our Lady Tiger. But ngayon na lang, mayroon po kaming token para kay Ma'am Malin.
To give us a message on behalf of the NCF President, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, may I call in the Executive Vice President, Dr. Aida P. Osea, to give us a message. A round of applause, please.
Our president cannot join us this afternoon, but he has asked me to read his message to our internship graduates. Our president centers his message on the theme of this graduation, criminology interns upholding the standard of quality and excellence in serving the society. Highly esteemed Police Colonel Erwin L. Rebellion, our guest of honor and speaker, ang mga magigiting, magagandang lalaki at babae, mga pinuno ng ating partner agencies, Dr. Roger P. Villanueva, our Chief Finance Officer and member of the Board of Trustees, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Marilyn F. Palares, AVP for Tertiary Education, and of course, the beloved Dean of the College, Dr. Arnold F. Abiog, Department Head, Dr. Amard Z. Gomez, Criminology Intern Supervisor. I have numbered them, so I won't miss anybody. The faculty and staff of the college, and of course, the parents, the guests, and our 357, correct ba? Graduates, internship graduates, headed by Ms. Mikey P. Tordelia. And of course, I repeat, you are the honorees, but the persons behind our honorees, the parents and their loved ones. It is an honor for me to address such a distinguished audience like you, who are future defenders of justice, advocates of peace, and the well-being of our communities. That's how the President begins his message. Congratulations from him. Fundamentally, he says, criminology is the study of criminal behavior as well as its causes and consequences. And you, this year's internship graduates, are the driving force behind this initiative and the ones who will go on to lead the charge in improving our criminal justice system. Your experience as interns has changed you profoundly. Do you agree? Yes. You have left the classroom behind and entered the real world where theory and practice collide. The experience has provided you the chance to see directly the intricacies of our society's criminal justice system. In helping the society, it is expected that you sustain quality and excellence in three key aspects that the President wants to highlight, and they are this. First, you should bring fresh perspectives and innovative ideas. You will remember our President whenever you hear the word innovation. Do you agree? Yes. I hope that NCF has equipped you with the latest academic training, updated research methodologies, right attitudes, and technological innovations that contribute to the enhancement of investigative and analytical processes. These new ideas are essential for the evolution of criminological practices because they allow you to challenge outdated practices and introduce new and effective strategies that will facilitate crime prevention and contribute in the dynamic improvement of our justice system. Second, the President would like you to remember that the criminology profession is distinguished by its dedication to ethical standards. You have been trained intensely to uphold the principles of discipline. This was also emphasized by our guest speaker. Impartiality as advocates of social justice. These principles provide the cornerstone for your ability to win over the confidence of those you assist and ensure that justice is administered impartially. Thirdly, our President would like you to remember that on the role that you have to perform, partnership and collaboration is indispensable. You have observed this when you were in the field for your internship. And let us be thankful that we have these gentlemen and ladies who made things possible for you. Criminologists often work closely with law enforcement, social services, and community organizations. This collaborative approach ensures that a holistic response to crime and its underlying causes is considered. You have learned the value of working within a multidisciplinary group, appreciating diverse perspectives and expertise that each member contributes. You will act as bridges between the differently involved entities, facilitating communication and cooperation. This synergy is crucial in developing comprehensive strategies for crime prevention and rehabilitation. Being criminologists comes with a lot of challenges. It can be intimidating to deal with the emotional toll with crime victims, the difficulty of real-world cases, and the occasionally slow pace of systemic change. However, it is by overcoming these obstacles that you develop resilience, improve dedication, and strengthen the will to make a good influence. This time, our President would like to address all our criminology graduates. You, your faculty members, even many of the members of our distinguished guests, even our dean, our guest speaker. The President now is addressing all criminology graduates, past and present, as well as anyone involved in this honorable field by saying this: you should approach this journey with enthusiasm and commitment. Look for mentorship, never give up, and never lose sight of the significant role you play in creating a safe and just society. Your work is extremely important, not only in the battle against crime, but also in creating an atmosphere where justice, equity, and humanity are valued. You are not merely participants in the criminal justice system. You are change agents, justice advocates, and defenders of public trust. To sum up, you play a critical role in preserving and improving the caliber of services offered by the criminal justice system. You will be held responsible for the standards and the quest to remember quality, excellence, service, and truth. Concept that NCF has taught you by your ingenuity, adherence to ethical standards, and dedication to teamwork. Your participation guarantees the system's continued dynamism, responsiveness, and ability to successfully handle modern difficulties. As you step on the next phase of your life and your career, our internship graduates are now being addressed by the President. Whether you are joining law enforcement, pursuing further studies, or exploring related fields, please carry with you the torch of excellence and support for a safer environment and more just society. Finally, don't forget to express your gratitude to your mentors. We have heard our guest speaker talk about gratitude. To your internship coordinators and collaborators, the guidance, knowledge, and encouragement they shared has helped you shape up. To your families and friends who supported you throughout this journey, thank them. And above all, be grateful to God Almighty. A round of applause for everyone. Thank you, and again, congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Aida P. Osea.
So, we are now on the third part of our program, the ring hop ceremony. May I request the parents to assist their child in slipping the college ring. May I also request the department head, Dr. Arnold F. Abiog, Dr. Roger Villanueva, the Chief Finance Officer, and the guest of honor and speaker, Police Colonel Erwin Revillon, to award the Certificate of Completion. So let me read the citation of the certificate. Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. College of Criminal Justice Education, Center of Development in Criminology, hereby confers this Certificate of Completion to for having satisfactorily completed the program of instruction prescribed for the Criminology Internship Training Program for academic year 2023 to 2024, given this 24th day of May during the Criminology Internship Recognition and graduation ceremonies at the 10th Avenue Plaza Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed, Marilyn F. Balares, PhD Crim, R.Crim, Dean, College of Criminal Justice Education and ABP for Tertiary Education. Signed, Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, PhD and CPA, Vice President for Academic Affairs. And signed, Mr. Marius C. Villanueva, President. This award of completion is hereby awarded to Hannah Grace E. Aban, Moises F. Abarca, Jovinio O. Abarrientos, Rose Ann Y. Abyo. Emilia A. Abrasado. Apple Princess B. Adan. Edra Luz C. Aguilar. John Robert B. Aguilar. Royce E. Aguilar. John Kian C. Aguirre. NJ B. Ala. Angeli C. Alarcon. Martin Clement A. Alarcon. Janina Rose D. Alcantara. Jasha Marie R. Alden. Nicole B. Alden. Aldrin M. Alegre. Zareen Angel P. Alforte. John Michael Ancheta. Jenny V. Anoras. John Paul V. Anoras. John Michael N. Antonio. John Russell N. Antonio. Marivic B. Arandia. Melchor B. Arca Jr. Rejan B. Arce. Claire Nicole U. Arcilia. John Lloyd G. Arcilia. Joy Marnelli P. Arco. Eugenio A. Arena. Edwin T. Arpelleda. Aldrin R. Asido. John Carlos D.C. Babilonia. Clarence S. Bables. Angela Yula M. Baduya. M. C. Valderrama. John Robert B. Baldonasa. Kim D.V. Balindan. Angeline C. Balimbing. Adele D.L.A. Banyas. Wilfred A. Banto. Ronron C. Baque. Jonathan M. Baranda. Jemveric B. Barles. J.H. Barameda. Maria Diana N. Bass. Earl Kevin R. Batiancina. John Christopher L. Batiancina. Justine Sarah May Batulinaw. Mark Brian C. Bedes. Anthony L. Bilano. Rodley S.B. Bilen. Tricia Ann D. Vilencio. Kimberly Pilesta. Maria Francia P. Binetes. Paul Justin J. Binosa. Katrina C. Berenguela. Christian L. Bernardo. Wilbert B. Bibal. Mark Alden V. Bigtas. Marlon U. Blancada. Al Jeremy J. Buholano. Ladylyn B. Bombase. Joshua Kyle P. Bunador. James N. Bonicele. Hershey R. Bunyon. Ella G. Borja. Francia B. Borja. Todd Zeus C. Borja. Arjane D.V. Borlagdan. Kevin A. Borromeo. Angela M. Buslon. Sheila May B. Bricio. Mary Dapin Kate G. Bulao. John Carl I. Bulawan. Kevin Paul B. Buki. Maridel I. Cabalquento. Mia Faith M. Cabalquinto. Joan B. Cado. Arian V. Cabrito. John Reynald M. Kailing. Joel B. Cao. Giancarlo S. Capardo. Maria Shaina T. Carable. Alan Cedric S. Carinan. Ray Mark C. Carinan. Desiree G. Casilli. Hannah Hyacinth A. Castillo. David N. Cavite II. Jean Marie B. Cebu. Carlo V. Signar. Bien A. Cesar. Van Zairo B. Clasio. Earl Justin G. Clado. Janelle R. Flores. Lester B. Flores. Kathleen May B. Cominguez. Jesse P. Contreras. Tricia May A. Cordero. Arvin O. Core. Eldefonso Rodolfo E. Cortez VI. Camille S. Credo. Charlene D. Cristobal. Mateo C. Cruz. Jane Kimberly G. Dacian. Maria April B. Daco. Gino A. Dakpano. Maramay L. Dacuya. Jericho R. Daet. Aaron H. Danabar. John Michael A. De Belen. Ven B. De Castro. John Joshua S. de Guzman, Larry June S.J. de la Cruz, Jesus M. de los Santos Jr., Jonel A. de los Santos, Vanessa S. de Vera, Yorick B. de la Trinidad, John Felix C. de la Vega, Mark Anthony V. de Los Angeles, Arabel A. Di Mabugti, Lawrence T. Distora, Christopher O. Di Maiwat, Crisel Di Mayuga, Angel James B. Dison, Claire Ann T. Dumulot, Danica Marie D.R. Dumalasa, Luis Veronica D.R. Dumalasa, Gerald P. Inciso, Prince Joseph S. Indrano, Kenneth M. Enriquez, Rielin R. Espaldon, Cleomica N. Espiritu, Jonabel B. Instaño, Fiona K. M. Estrilles. Charlie B. Eva. Joren Patrick M. Pabilia. Mark Anthony R. Falabe. Domingo B. Penis Jr. John Alfred P. Fernandez. Mark Cristom James C. Fernandez. Prince Eldrian A. Fernandez. Solomon Y. Fernandez. Mia D.L. Flordelis. John Paul O. Flores. Jobert P. Floriano. Raymart T. Flororita. Hanimi M. Fulgentes. Emilio Maria P. Galang. Marcris T. Garcia. John Lloyd V. Gata. Angeline V. Gava. John Kenneth C. Hinova. Lawrence S. Gianan. Nanette L. Gianan. Kayla May R. Gomez. Rico R. Gungo. Jomel A. Guerrero. Karen N. Gutierrez. Al Newell B. Hade. John Alex V. Hermojeno. Janice S. Hernandez. John Ted D.C. Hernandez. Tom G. Hubilia. Angel Dwayne M. Huertas. Mayan O. Barbia. Veronica E. Icalabis. Mika Queen B. Imperial. Christian A. Indicio. Alfred B. Infante. Mark Infante. Sabas Romeo E. Interino. Tomas C. Ipo II. Jason M. Hamin. Maria Edith Krishma Faye R. Hara. J.R. P. Julia. John Christian S. Julianes. Mark Joshua C. Hunyo. Jonathan C. Casilag. Romeo D. Lagarde V. Charlie A. Lagarta. Paul Justin L. Lagos. Daniel P. Lanyada. Michael C. Lanyo. Jeff Miller G. Lararte. Aldren A. Layagan. Justin K. M. Leonardo. John Ellison A. Lim. Stephanie Yvette G. Lizardo. Elvira A. Lorilla. Annalie B. Lumbang. Jasmine B. Lustre. Denver A. Lozano. Jesevier L. Maca. Jeline C. Makawili. Lawrence O. Madrid. Cristel Shane A. Magas. Nico S. Magpantay. Angela A. Magtaka. Katrina N. Malaluan. John Michael P. Maliwat. Joshua Christian B. Manawis. Arvin B. Manyaol. Jose Edwin P. Manyosa Jr. Yonchin R. Marcaida. Jonalie R. Marciliana. Wilmar Paul D. Marshall. Carl Philip C. Marco. Sharil Joey L. Mariano. Marvin L. Masapul. Ian Daniel B. Masdo. Errol Ace B. Mayhay. Rose Ann S.J. Medroso. Jerwin R. Mejes. Carl Eman B. Melia. Dominic Jojo V. Millanes. Sophia Jane A. Miranda. Mika Aim Jester J. Mirando. Lito B. Montiliano. Jeremy T. Morales. John Paul A. Morano. Charles Darwin A. Morata. John Alexis Murillo. Carla A. Mortega. Josa T. Murillo. Angelo G. Nacario. Christian P. Niles. Ronel C. Nazareno. Jessica B. Nebres. Romnick DLC Nitoliano. Roxanne G. Nogales. John Kenneth Arnotado. Eddie S. Notorio Jr. Ricardo D. Nuiz Jr. Raymond A. Wafirina. Anne Faye P. Oberos. Jeric B. Obias. Alegas Zane R. Obligado. Warden A. Obsequio. Joshua E. Ogmar. Melchor S. Ognita. Mary Pauline Paz Ongkit. Crystal Jane N. Orlina. Michael Angelo O. Orsal. Maria Jessica S. Ortega. Daniela Kim N. Pablo. Francis R. Palma. Alexis Joshua N. Palmes. Ray D.S. Paluyo. Syra L. Pangilinan. Joven D. Pantoja Jr. Kate Andrea R. Paraan. Cristel Ann R. Parato. Nino Audrey B. Parola. Albert John N. Pascual. Yuben Baran B. Patron. John Mark B. Pilayo. Allen James M. Peña. Daniel T. Peñas. Gerald P. Penis. Calvin M. Piñones. Aaron J. D.R. Perilla. Vincent Haji C. Perillo. Tiestel Elaine W. Pereña. Donela Plandes. John Lester S. Portugal. John Tan A. Pupa. Mark Joseph A. Pupa. Angelo I. Kimpo. John Icon P. Quiñones. Floriel A. Quintano. Jerome C. Rabosa. J.R. D. Ranido. Neil Jan B. Rabanilla. Dominic B. Rason. Nicole G. Riveriza. Genevieve P. Regalario. Jobert L. Regidor. Leonardo P. Rillora Jr. Princess Silica B. Rilocano. Jose Bernardo B. Rimiter. Raymart C. Rimudo. Minette R. Riorizo. Ryan Anthony D.S. Rivera. James M. Robles. John Paul B. Rodriguez. Nelson P. Romanillos. Maricris P. Romero. Lailani M. Ross. Christian S. Rosales. Jeffrey B. Rojas. Russell B. Rojas. Jose B. Royo. RJ I. Royol. Jamerson M. Sabang. James M. Sabang. Cindy R. Sakayan. John Ray A. Salarza. Mark Roel M. Salvador. Iamay D. Salvino. Zeus Lester G. San Andres. Warren R. San Benaventura. Antoinette M. San Juan. Junior M. San Juan. Roy Maynard O. San Lorenzo. Julian Catherine B. Sanchez. Leandro N. Sandro. Jerome V. Santiago. Ian Paul Francis C. Sapian. Richel B. Sapinoso. Erwin S. Sidilia. Danica May R. Sige. Wally Adam O. Masapol. Aubrey Ace G. Senyar. Jessa A. Sharon. John Michael F. Sibolo. John Carlo S. Sinugbuhan. Jeric P. Soreta. Randolph B. Santa Rosa. Sherry Grace B. Santa Rosa. Nicole Y. Santo Domingo. Simon Patrick B. Suarez. John Anthony A. Sumayo. Alfredo B. Sumpay Jr. Cassandra C. Sumpay. Mabel Taduran. Princess Kate B. Tagilin. Tanya T. Tamayo. Darrell T. Tapel. Mary Grace B. Temporas. John Lloyd B. Tenorio. Justine Albert B. Tolentino. And our class valedictorian, Mikey P. Tordilla. Micaela E. Torsar. Mariel R. Tripon. Angelito R. Tubig. Mark Steven E. Tuy. Mio John Anthony D. Valencia. Jason A. Valiente. Lamek Zenas Vival Sorable. Arniel E. Villarde Jr. John Christian B. Velasco. Ralph Roque J. Velasco. Jose Pipito S. Velez. Laika V. Villacote. Aldrin O. Villamor. Mark Dominic P. Villamor. Zaira May M. Villamor. John Brinier H. Villamora. Prince Wilson D. Villania. Jelly D. Villanueva. Mark Angelo B. Villar. John Harold L. Villases. Laramie R. Villon. And last but not the least, Romeliza C. Zape. Congratulations, everyone. But before I turn over the microphone to my co-MC, meron po tayong part of the program which is not included in the program na hawak ninyo. Ito po yung tinatawag nating GOAT Award. Ano ba yung sinasabing GOAT Award? So, basahin po natin. Kuya, paki-bawas-bawasan para bilo ang boses ko. Ano ba yung sinasabing GOAT Award? So, the GOAT Award for the least performing graduating student is a humorous tradition at the United States Military Academy at West Point. It is given to cadet who graduates last in their class. Despite the lower ranking, the award is a tongue-in-cheek recognition of the cadets' perseverance and effort in completing the rigorous program. The term GOAT in this context is a playful nod to the cadets' ability and to endure and succeed despite academic challenges, and the tradition often includes light-hearted celebrations and sometimes monetary contributions from classmates. Sa Tagalog po, ang ibig sabihin, siya po yung kulelat. Pero, when you receive the GOAT Award, it doesn't mean na habang buhay, kulelat ka sa buhay. Because there are so many famous persons in the world na hindi nag-excel academically, pero sila yung naging mayaman pagdating ng panahon. Ngayon, sino po ang inyong bet kung sino ang makaka-receive ng GOAT Award from your batch?
Sige nga, sige nga. Sino po? Sino po ang inyong bet? Makaka-receive po siya ng medal. Yes, that is true. So let us give a big hand para sa GOAT awardee for this 2024 intern graduation. Jemberic B. Barles. Please come in front to receive your award. May I request the parent to yung parent po para ma-treasure nyo yung moment na awardee yung anak natin. Congratulations, Mr. Jemberic. Marami ng mga GOAT awardees ang ngayon ay matagumpay na sa kanilang buhay. Aasahan namin na pag naging matagumpay ka sa iyong buhay ay hindi mo kami makakalimutan sa Naga College Foundation.
Congratulations to our GOAT awardee, Mr. Barlis. So, I am pleased to have in front the Department Head of College of Criminology, Dr. Arnold F. Abiog, to deliver his closing remarks. A round of applause, please.
Alam kong ako ang pinakahihintay ninyo. To our Chief Finance Officer and member of the Board of Trustees, Dr. Dr. Roger P. Villanueva. Our Vice President for Tertiary Education and the Dean of the College of Criminal Justice Education, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, ma'am. Our distinguished guest of honor and speaker, Police Colonel Erwin L. Rebellion, sir. Heads and representatives of the different agencies and offices, our intern supervisor, Dr. Emard C. Gomez, the exceptional class top 1, Miss Mikey P. Tordilla. Faculty and staff of the College of Criminal Justice Education, guests, parents, and most importantly, our 357 criminology interns, good evening. Good evening na, para dinner na. As we approach the culmination of tonight's event, I am honored to deliver the closing remarks. To the graduates, congratulations on reaching this significant milestone. Your dedication and perseverance have led you to this moment of triumph. I commend you for your hard work to achieve your goals. The knowledge and skills you have gained during your internship will serve as invaluable assets as you embark on your professional journey. However, let us always remember that learning is a lifelong endeavor, and the quest for knowledge knows no boundaries. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the parents for their unwavering support and guidance throughout this journey. Your sacrifices have played an integral role in the success of our graduates. And for that, we are immensely grateful. As we conclude this ceremony, let us carry forward the spirit of excellence and commitment instilled in us by our alma mater, the Naga College Foundation Incorporated. May we continue to strive for greatness and make meaningful contributions to our community and society. Once again, congratulations to the graduates. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Abiog. May I request everyone to please stand for the singing of Ako Ay Pilipino. Sabay-sabay po nating iwagayway ang ating mga bandila.
Ako ay Pilipino, ang dugo'y maharlika. Likas sa aking puso at hikain kay kanda. Sa Pilipinas na aking bayan, lantay na perlas ng silanganan, wari na tipo ng kayamanan ng may kapal. Ika'y sa'king talino sa mabuti lang laan. Sa aki katutubo ang maging mapagmahal. Ako ay Pilipino, ako ay Pilipino, isang bansa, isang diwa ang minimum.
please remain standing for the exit of colors. Ladies and gentlemen, the exit of colors. Before I close the program, I would like to share a quote from August Rodin, which says, "Nothing is a waste of time if you use the experience wisely." Thank you and good evening. Announcement. Please stay for a while. There will be a dinner which will be served a little later. Please present your stub to the staff of the avenue. Thank you. You may now be seated po while waiting for the dinner, while waiting for the staff to arrange the table and the chairs. Thank you.